Men over 60. Urologist said this. Listen closely. That private habit you've been doing your entire life, yes, that one, might now be silently destroying your manhood. It's not a joke. And this is not hype. These 7 hidden mistakes are quietly draining your energy, weakening your prostate, and robbing you of the confidence you used to have in the bedroom. And the worst part? Most men have no idea they're doing it wrong. You think it's harmless, routine, even, but science says otherwise. Today, a leading urologist is breaking the silence. Don't just watch, stick to it, cause this is never heard secret I will be sharing with you. He's revealing the 7 masturbation mistakes that most older men are making, mistakes that slowly sabotage your performance, your hormones, your vitality, without you even realizing. And if you're watching this right now, it's not too late to fix them. This could save your health, and possibly your relationship. Let's start with the one most men overlook. Before we dive all in, kindly hit the subscribe button. That one click lets us know we are reaching out to most people who take their life matter serious, and don't to turn on your notification button on. Your prostate isn't built for lifelong pressure, it wears down with time. By age 60, over 50% of men already have an enlarged prostate, according to the American Urological Association, 2023. That's half of all older men, walking around with a swollen gland, often without even knowing it. And when you apply too much pressure during masturbation, especially lying on your stomach or squeezing tightly, it increases inflammation and urinary issues. Add to that the fact that a 2021 Harvard study found that men who ignored early prostate symptoms were 43% more likely to develop chronic complications later in life. The scary part? You don't feel the damage at first. But it builds up. Session after session. Until one day, it bites hard. You feel pressure. Discomfort. Sudden urgency to pee. And by then, it's already late in the game. When do results show? In many men, prostate irritation builds silently over 3 to 6 months, until the symptoms suddenly show up like a flood. You think you're saving time. But you're actually stealing blood flow, and damaging your nerves. According to a 2022 study from the Journal of Sexual Medicine, men over 60 who rushed masturbation reported a 32% increase in erectile fatigue and reduced sensitivity over time. Why? Because fast, mindless stimulation trains your body to peak too quickly, and your brain starts skipping the natural arousal process. That creates a dangerous loop. The more you rush, the less you feel. And before you know it, you can't maintain an erection, even when you want to perform. Performance anxiety kicks in, and your confidence crumbles. So ask yourself, are you helping your body? Or just wearing it out? When do results show? For most, this rewiring begins subtly in just 2 to 4 weeks of habitual rush sessions, and within 90 days, it can become a serious problem. This one's deceptive. Because it sounds like preference. But frequency directly affects your hormonal and sexual health. A 2020 study published in Andrology Journal found that men over 60 who masturbated excessively, more than 5 times per week, had 24% lower testosterone levels than those with balanced frequency. On the flip side, complete abstinence wasn't healthy either. Men who avoided ejaculation for long periods experienced a 19% drop in pelvic floor strength and slower erection response. Too much drains you. Too little disconnects you. Balance isn't just smart, it's scientific. Stick around, I'll show you the healthy, doctor-approved frequency that keeps your manhood alive and well. When do results show? Hormonal imbalances and pelvic dysfunction usually take 30 to 90 days to become noticeable, often showing up as mood swings, low drive, or weaker erections. Now, before you panic and think it's all bad news, here's the truth: masturbation isn't the enemy. When done with awareness and balance, it can actually boost your health in ways you never imagined. First, it can protect your prostate. A landmark study from JAMA in 2004 showed that men who ejaculated 21 times or more per month had a 33% lower risk of developing prostate cancer. That means a healthy release schedule could be your body's way of flushing out harmful toxins and reducing long-term risk. Second, it helps you sleep better and calm your nerves. That post-release calm isn't a myth, it's backed by science. Oxytocin, prolactin, and serotonin flood your brain after orgasm, helping you relax, reduce anxiety, and drift into deeper, more restorative sleep, naturally. And third, it supports your heart and blood flow. Every healthy climax boosts circulation, raises your heart rate, and keeps blood flowing to the organs that matter most. In fact, research from the American Journal of Cardiology found that men with more frequent sexual activity had a 50% lower risk of heart disease. So yes, when done right, self-pleasure can be medicine for your heart, your brain, and your manhood. But let me be clear, not everyone should be doing this. If you have severe prostate enlargement, chronic pelvic pain, or uncontrolled high blood pressure, speak to your doctor first. Also, men with cardiovascular conditions, recent stroke, or nerve damage in the pelvic region should avoid or limit masturbation until medically cleared. Your health comes first, don't force what your body isn't ready for. If you've made it this far, it means one thing, you're serious about your health. And that deserves respect. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. That one click tells us loud and clear, you're part of a movement that wants real answers, not fluff. We're dropping powerful health insights daily, and turning on notifications means you'll never miss a breakthrough that could change your life. The body isn't the only thing that changes with age, your brain chemistry shifts too. And when you feed it the wrong content, hyperstimulating, unrealistic, addictive visuals, you start rewiring your reward system without even knowing it. Over time, this leads to what researchers call dopamine desensitization. Your brain stops responding to real intimacy and starts craving artificial highs. A 2022 neuroscience review from Cambridge University revealed that men over 60 are more vulnerable to screen-driven dopamine burnout than younger men. Translation? What once excited you no longer does. Your real-life connection suffers, your desire crashes, and you begin chasing a shadow that never satisfies. Your brain chemistry matters now more than ever, don't let screens steal your drive. When do results show? Dopamine burnout can build silently over 4 to 8 weeks, and by 3 months, many men report disinterest in real intimacy. Your posture can literally kill your performance, slowly, silently. When you're hunched over in a chair or slouched in bed, blood flow drops, and your pelvic nerves get compressed. That means reduced sensation, weaker erections, and higher risk of long-term dysfunction. A clinical study in 2021 published in the Journal of Men's Health found that older men with sedentary self-pleasure habits were 47% more likely to report numbness, tingling, or weaker climax response. The fix? Simple: sit upright, support your back, and even consider standing to keep circulation alive. Because poor posture now can mean poor performance later. When do results show? Poor circulation effects can show as early as 2 weeks, with nerve sensitivity decline within 1 to 3 months of bad positioning. Here's where the habit gets dangerous, when it becomes your coping mechanism. Late night boredom. Stress. Loneliness. You reach for release like a distraction, not a connection. But every time you do that, you train your mind to numb emotions instead of processing them. Over time, this creates a cycle of emotional flatlining. A 2023 mental health review in Psychology and Aging found that older men who used self-pleasure primarily for stress relief or sleep had lower life satisfaction and increased signs of depression. This isn't about shame, it's about reclaiming control. Use it with purpose. Use it to connect, not just to escape. When do results show? Emotional detachment patterns can develop in just 4 weeks, and by 60 days, it can feel like motivation and joy are slipping away. After 60, your immune system slows down, and that means your skin and private parts need extra care. Skipping cleanup or rushing through it isn't just lazy, it's risky. You're opening the door to urinary tract infections, fungal irritation, and bacterial buildup. According to a 2022 study in the Urology Times, mature men who neglected post-masturbation hygiene had a 58% higher risk of skin inflammation and urethral irritation. It's not about being obsessive, it's about being smart. Here's a quick checklist: gently wash with warm water and mild soap. Pat dry thoroughly, don't stay damp. Avoid tight underwear immediately after. Keep your hands clean before and after, always. Because good hygiene isn't optional, it's protection. When do results show? Infection risks can surface in as little as 3 to 7 days of poor hygiene, especially in humid or tight environments. If you've made it this far, it means one thing: you're serious about your health. And that deserves respect. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. That one click tells us loud and clear, you're part of a movement that wants real answers, not fluff. We're dropping powerful health insights daily, and turning on notifications means you'll never miss a breakthrough that could change your life. Also, men with cardiovascular conditions, recent stroke, or nerve damage in the pelvic region should avoid or limit masturbation until medically cleared. If this opened your eyes even just a little, don't scroll past it. Smash that subscribe button right now. It tells us loud and clear that you care about real men's health. Drop a like and leave your comment below. I respond to every single one because this isn't just a channel. It's a brotherhood. Real men. Real talk. Real solutions. Let's grow stronger, together.